Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is TeamViewer and AnyDesk. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, TeamViewer in 2025 remains trusted name for remote desktop access, offering a strong security, multi-device support, and advanced tools like file sharing, remote printing, and a section login. It's great for IT teams, large businesses, and enterprise users who need a robust support and a reliability. However, its high pricing occasionally lag during peak use make it less ideal for smaller teams or personal users. Talking about AnyDesk stand out as a faster, more lightweight alternative that works well even on a slower internet connection. It's cheaper, easier to set up, and provides a smooth remote section with a minimal delay. While it doesn't offer as many enterprise features as TeamViewer, it's a favorite for freelancers, startups, and a small business that need a reliable remote access to without the high cost. In conclusion, use TeamViewer for features, rich, and secure enterprise support. Choose AnyDesk for fast, remote, affordable remote access in everyday use. And that's it.